Hey, what's up? I'm here with some huge news. Buckle up and hit that like button if you're ready for this. March 14th. Mark it on your calendars, folks, because that's the day the Pi Network is officially shutting down some pioneers and some wallets. Yeah, you heard me right. It's the cutoff, the grand finale. And if you or your team members haven't completed your KYC by then, oof, say goodbye to everything you've mined. Gone. Poof. Dust in the wind. So let's break this down, because I know you're on the edge of your seat. Here's the deal. KYC's coming in hot. There are three parts to KYC, and the first one are those that have completed KYC but have been reversed to tentative. Hold on, I get to you in a second. We've got the other two types out there still scrambling. First, the ones who've done their KYC but haven't been verified yet. Then, we've got the other gang who haven't even snagged a slot to get it done. Come March 14th, if these folks don't cross the finish line, all those sweet, sweet coins they've been mining, be wiped out, zeroed, nada. Hang with me. Now, let's flip the script to the OGs, the ones who've been mining for years and already smashed their KYC. You'd think they're good, but hold up, there's more drama. I know most of you have noticed, you have been asked to redo your liveliness check. And after that, most of you have been reversed to tentative KYC. Don't panic. The whole essence is to ensure you are still active, and most importantly, that you are human. The tentative KYC will be approved soon. Many pioneers are also complaining about the migration or not being migrated. Some are asking if they will lose all their coins. Sit tight, because I am here to break it all down for you. To respond to that question, I will give a short answer. Yes and no. Let me explain. On your checklist, you've got three buckets: unverified, transferable, and migrated. The unverified is the gold your team's been stacking up under you while you're out here grinding. The verified. That's your personal haul. The coins have poured my sweat into. But here's the kicker. Those team coins from folks who've done their KYC. They're supposed to slide into your transferable stash. Guess what? If you check your transferable right now, it's looking kinda skinny. Not the flex you were hoping for, right? Don't be discouraged yet. What you are looking at is what you alone have mined so far after the initial migration. To put this in basic terms, the contributions from your team members is all in the unverified bucket. I am talking about those that have done KYC and those that are yet to either complete KYC or have the chance to apply. So, what's going to happen on March 14th when the clock strikes midnight? Pi Network's going to shut it all down and start crunching the numbers. They'll look at your mining team, see who's got their KYC locked and approved, and bam! Those contributions are going to move to your transferable bucket, and the rest will be removed, deleted, burnt, whatever phrase you will like to use. Then, like a grand finale fireworks show, it all migrates into your wallet. I hear you asking, how do we save as much as we can? Well, you have barely 7 days to do that, and with some very steps. First, open your Pi mining app, not the browser. I said open the app. Then click on this icon. You should see this page. Your interest is on these two buttons. Click on Ping Inactive. This will alert those members that have decided to mine whenever they remember. The next button is this. Send Reminder Message. This button is as important as mining itself. This will send a reminder message to only those members that have not done or completed their KYC. Did you see how simple it is? So, you have 7 days more to save that account. I will suggest you do this at the beginning of your mining session for the rest of the 7 days. But if you feel it will be stress for you, that's your choice too. Here's my hot tip for you all. Take this serious. Push your team, hit up your team members. Get those KYCs done. The Pi mainnet is real. Not everyone's going to make it, and I'm keeping it 100 with you. Picture this. If someone's sitting on, let's say, 40,000 Pi coins in unverified bucket, you think Pi Network's just going to burn it all? Nah, fam, the calculation hasn't even happened yet. Don't panic. What you see in your transferable today? That's not the final score. Once March 14th hits and they tally up everyone who's cleared KYC, those team efforts are going to boost your transferable, and then it's wallet time. That's the game plan, people. So drop a comment. What's your transferable bucket looking like? Are you sweating this deadline? Let's talk about it. Smash that subscribe button, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to share the video. My name is Tony, and this is Basic Knowledge. Till my next video. Keep mining.